Hello dear students, this is the question number 10 of exercise 13.2. The question is, two persons could fit new windows in a house in 3 days. Two persons could fit in 3 days. One of the person fell ill before the work started. How long would the job taken now? एक person बीमार हो गया, so how many days it will take now? So first of all, it will take x days to complete the work. Okay, remaining persons equals to, after 2 थे, okay, 2 minus 1, it means only one person. So now make the table, just form one table. Two quantities are, first of all you can write here person and days, number of days. Clear? So two persons 3 days. Now only single person, let the number of days are x days for one person. Okay, because now only one remaining now for one person, because less number of persons will take more days to complete the work. Yes or no? अगर पर्सन ये कम है, लेस हो रहे हैं, तो डेज उतने ही ज़्यादा लगेंगे. इट मीन्स देयरफॉर इट इज इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. yes or no? Inverse proportion. So we will use this formula, x1 into y1 is equals to x2 into y2. Now this quantity is your x and this one is your y. This is x1, x2, y1 like this, and this is value of y2. Okay, now put the values here. 2 into 3 is equals to 1 into x. So 1 into x means x is equals to 2 3s are 6. X equals to 6 days. Okay, so one person he will take 6 days to complete the job. Done. Now the B part is, how many persons would be needed to fit the windows in 1 day? Now time is 1 day. 1 day में complete करना है. Okay, and the number of persons are 2. In the starting it is given na. Now it is the B part. So same, new table, number of persons, and here you can write days. 2 persons can complete in 3 days. Okay, and we want that work will be completed in 1 day. So let x persons will complete the work in 1 day. क्या लेट कर लिया? x persons. Okay, now same, because it is also inverse proportion. Why it is inverse proportion? Days decrease हुए हैं, it means we need more persons. Increase होंगे persons, so it is inverse proportion. Same formula, x1 into y1 is equals to x2 into y2. Now this is the value of your x1, x2, y1, y2. multiplied it. 2 into 3 is equals to x into 1. Now solve it. X into 1 means x, and 2 into 3 6. Same values, okay? X equals to 6, but here persons, hence we need 6 person to fit the windows in 1 day. Hence we need 6 persons to fit the windows in 1 day. This is your answer. Now move to the question number 11.